In our previous video, we have covered what exactly is Wireshark, and in today's video, we'll be covering what exactly is Hping. Okay, so Hping is basically a popular packet crafting tool. It is a popular packet crafting tool which is used for it is used by the penetration testers and IT security auditors. It is a command line oriented TCP/IP packet assembler and analyzer. Let us also cover in this video what exactly is Kismet. Kismet is a tool used for packet sniffing and crafting. Used for packet sniffing and crafting the packets that are used to hack into networks. So it can be used to hack into networks as well as make use of brute force passwords. So it can hack brute force passwords as well as it can be used to hack into networks. So these are the uses of Kismet. In our next video, we'll be covering what exactly is Ettercap.
If you like the video you just saw, please consider hitting the like button and letting us know. Also, subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends. Stay awesome and see you next time.